tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for anyone who needs to print large format documents with precision and speed. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the HP DesignJet T650 36-inch large format wireless plotter printer, a powerhouse designed specifically for CAD, architecture, engineering, and home office use. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this printer promises to take your printing experience to the next level. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. First off, the HP DesignJet T650 boasts an impressive 36-inch large format printing capability, allowing you to print technical drawings, blueprints, posters, and presentations up to 24 inches wide, with professional precision and sharp detail. Imagine being able to print your architectural designs or engineering plans in stunning clarity, making it easier to review, collaborate, and present your work. This feature is a total winner for anyone who needs to produce high-quality, large-scale prints on a regular basis. Plus, the printer's ability to handle a wide range of media types and sizes means you can experiment with different formats and materials to find the perfect fit for your projects. Another standout feature of the HP DesignJet T650 is its high-resolution output, delivering up to 2400 by 1200 optimized DPI for crisp lines, fine details, and vibrant color accuracy. This level of precision is ideal for CAD, GIS, architecture, and engineering projects, where even the smallest details can make a huge difference. The high-resolution output also ensures that your prints look professional and polished, whether you're presenting to clients or showcasing your work in a portfolio. I was blown away by the level of detail and color accuracy in my test prints, and I'm confident that you'll be impressed too. The HP DesignJet T650 also offers wireless and mobile printing capabilities, thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi and compatibility with the HP Smart app. This means you can easily print from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, giving you the flexibility to work from anywhere and print on the go. Imagine being able to send a print job from your phone and having it ready and waiting for you when you arrive at the office. It's a total game changer for busy professionals and home office users. The HP Smart app is also incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to manage your print jobs, monitor your printer status, and even order supplies directly from your device. In addition to its impressive printing capabilities, the HP DesignJet T650 is also designed for fast and efficient performance. With reliable print speeds and smooth media handling for both roll and sheet projects, you can trust that your prints will be produced quickly and accurately. The printer's automatic sheet feeder is another time-saving feature, allowing you to seamlessly print A4 and A3 sheets without manually changing media. This is a huge benefit for busy offices and studios, where every minute counts and productivity is key. Plus, the printer's durable design and long-lasting components ensure that it will withstand heavy use and provide years of reliable service. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T650 36-inch large format wireless plotter printer is an absolute powerhouse, offering a unique combination of large format printing, high-resolution output, wireless and mobile printing, and fast and efficient performance. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this printer has the potential to revolutionize your workflow and take your printing experience to new heights. If you're in the market for a high-quality, large-format printer that can keep up with your demands, I highly recommend checking out the HP DesignJet T650. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this incredible machine. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.